You might be late to work, but you'll be the best dressed in the office. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Classy and Savvy. Today, we'll dive into capsule wardrobes for office ladies. If you're a new professional who's just starting out, or you're a seasoned office worker who's just tired of closet chaos, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we uncover the must-have pieces to keep you looking chic and professional every day with the least amount of effort. Let's get started. Okay, so the first item that everyone needs in their office closet is a neutral blazer. It is an essential piece in any office wardrobe, no matter what style you're going for. If there's only one piece of clothing that I must invest in, I would choose the blazer. The reason behind it is a blazer is the first thing people notice about your outfit if you're wearing one. Therefore, you want to make sure your blazer is of high quality, good construction, and good fitting. Because it is the biggest piece of clothing on your body, a blazer can make or break an outfit. A good blazer can make a casual outfit look smart and put together. On the other hand, a bad one can make your outfit look sad and frumpy. For a contemporary look, go for a relaxed straight fit, also widely known as oversized or boyfriend blazer. This type of blazer is different from a classic blazer due to its relaxed fit. It's known for having a straight line fit all the way. It has a roomier cut and doesn't contour your body, especially at the waistline. Therefore, it provides more comfort and freedom of movements throughout the day. The loose fit also allows for better layering and creates a more casual yet polished appearance. It's not an exaggeration to say that a blazer goes with every outfit. A couple of my go-to combinations include straight tailored trousers at the bottom and a relaxed fit blazer on top. The structure of the trousers offsets the looseness of the blazer, which gives a more balanced look for the entire outfit. Add a simple blouse or a finest sweater underneath for a polished ensemble. A blazer is perfect for pairing with dresses, especially when you need additional coverage for sleeveless dresses like this one. This combo strikes the right balance between masculinity and femininity and gives you a chic look for any work setting. What's even better is you can transition from work to social events by simply taking off the blazer. Another favorite combination of mine is pairing the blazer with dark wash jeans and a simple top. This outfit is perfect for those days when you need a smart casual look at work. The blazer and jeans combo is comfortable yet professional. Add loafers for a preppy vibe or low-heeled mules for a more feminine touch. When it comes to shopping for oversized blazers, it can be a little bit tricky. Because of its big and loose fit, a lot of oversized blazers are not particularly flattering, especially on smaller body frames. As a petite person who loves the look of an oversized blazer but doesn't want to look swallowed in it, I found there are a few key things to watch out for to make sure you look great in one. First of all, make sure the blazer fits well in the shoulders. When you wear it on, the shoulder seams should align with your natural shoulder line. This would give you a more flattering fit. Choose a blazer size that allows room for layering without looking bulky. This makes the blazer versatile for different seasons and office temperatures. In addition, the sleeves should not be too long. When you stand with your arms resting at your sides, the sleeves should hit just right above the top joint of your thumb. It's also crucial to consider your body type. Pay close attention to the back length of the blazer. Ideally, the length should fall somewhere between the middle and the bottom of your butt. If you have a shorter torso, go for slightly shorter blazers to avoid making your legs look shorter, especially when people look at your back. Whereas taller people should make sure there's enough fabric in the back. When it comes to materials, choose high quality fabrics like wool, tweed, or blends that hold their shape and have lining that feels comfortable against your skin. Avoid fabric that wrinkle easily, such as linen. While linen is great for summer, its tendency to wrinkle can really ruin the clean and polished look you want to project at work. As such, save linen for outside the office and go with more structure and wrinkle-resistant fabrics instead. For design, look for blazers with clean lines and minimal embellishments. Subtle details like a single button, a simple lapel, or discreet pockets keep the look modern and uncluttered. If you're petite like me, choose a single-breasted blazer over a double-breasted one. This would give you a clean and sleek line for your body. To maximize its versatility, choose blazers in neutral colors like black, beige, taupe, or even white. Neutrals are timeless and versatile, so you won't need to spend too much time in the morning thinking about color coordination. Since many store-bought blazers won't be perfectly off the rack, it's important to find a local skilled tailor to make necessary adjustments. Button-up shirts are classic staples in any professional wardrobe. They're versatile, comfortable, and never go out of style. When it comes to styling shirts, pairing a button-up shirt with tailored trousers is a timeless combination. Tuck in the shirt for a sleek silhouette and add a belt to cinch the waist and elevate the overall look. To keep it modern, loosely roll up the sleeves and leave a few buttons undone at the top to avoid looking too stuffy. For a feminine and elegant office ensemble, pair your shirt with a midi or pencil skirt. Always tuck in the shirt to maintain a polished look and add a statement belt for enhancement. On smart casual days, a cotton shirt with dark jeans is a great choice. Roll up the sleeves for a casual yet professional vibe. Then finish off the look by accessorizing with minimalist jewelry. Now, to be honest, I owned a few white shirts in the past, but none of them looked good on me for some reason. They either aged me out or reminded me of uniform, mainly because I chose the wrong material, cut, and color style. After some trial and error, here are a few things I've learned when shopping for a classic shirt. Make sure the shirt fits well across the shoulders and chest. It shouldn't be too tight or too loose. You should be able to raise your hands and stretch your arms without feeling tightness in the underarms or bust area. Go for a slightly oversized fit for a relaxed yet modern look, but avoid excessive bagginess. Now, a good shirt doesn't have to be expensive. My go-to material is 100% cotton or 100% silk. Both are great materials because they made of natural fibers, which make them breathable and comfortable to wear for long office hours. Look for a good thread count for cotton or a dense weave for silk. This allows you to maximize the durability and structure of the shirts for a long time. High quality cotton shirts like those made from classic poplin are durable and can handle frequent washing and wearing. Poplin has a crisp construction that holds up its shape and doesn't wrinkle easily, and therefore it keeps you looking fresh throughout the day. Similarly, silk remains relatively wrinkle-free with normal wear, and it feels soft and luxurious on your skin. If you're starting your wardrobe, stick to neutral colors like black, white, navy, or pastels for maximum versatility. Subtle patterns like classic stripes or checks can add interest without being too distracting. As you build your wardrobe, you can add bolder prints and colorful patterns. This is one piece of clothing where you can get creative without looking too distracting, as the shirt itself is already a classic piece. Another must-have for your office closet is thin knitwear, like a cardigan or sweater. What I love about thin knitwear is that it provides warmth and you can add layering without adding bulk, which is essential for maintaining a sleek, and streamlined silhouette. My office is always freezing in the summer, so I keep a thin cardigan at my desk to give me extra warmth when I need it. There are a couple of ways to style your knitwear. You can wear a thin sweater with tailored trousers for a simple and sophisticated office look. You can also layer a cardigan on top for extra warmth and create more depth to your outfit. Accessorize with a statement necklace or earrings to complete the look. A cardigan is perfect for layering over a dress, especially in cooler office environments. Choose a cardigan that complements the color and style of your dress for a cohesive and polished look. For a smart casual look, you can pair a cropped polo sweater with a high-waisted jeans. I love this combo for its absolute comfort and style. Perfect for those more relaxed office days or company outings. When shopping for knitwear, keep these tips in mind. Look for durable fabrics that don't peel easily, like merino wool, cashmere, or fine cotton. These fabrics offer warmth, comfort, and a luxurious feel without being too bulky. Make sure the knitwear fits well. It shouldn't be too tight, but should gently hug your body to allow for comfortable movement. Consider a slightly fitted or semi-fitted style for a polished look. Again, I would avoid chunky and baggy knitwear for office setting. Bulky sweaters can look sloppy and create annoying bulges when you tuck them in. Plus, because of the thin material, it's perfect for transitioning between seasons. So you can wear them all year round. Choose necklines that complement your face shape and style preferences. Crew necks and V-necks are versatile and work well with most outfits and face shapes. Stick with classic colors like beige, black, navy, or cream. These shades give you the flexibility to mix and match with your existing wardrobe. To make sure your knitwear lasts you a long time, follow the care instructions. I normally use a delicate cycle in the washing machine or hand wash to help preserve the fabric and shape. Dry flat whenever possible. I usually lay mine flat on top of the dryer instead of hanging it dry to avoid stretching the material, especially when it's wet and gets stretched out under the weight of water. If you need to hang it, I recommend using these arch hangers to prevent shoulder bumps. You don't want to walk around with bunny ears on your shoulders. Black trousers are a cornerstone of any elegant office wardrobe. They're versatile and timeless. You can create various polished and professional looks with just a pair of black trousers. Black goes well with any tops and accessories, therefore is a great choice for daily wear in the workplace. I have my black trousers in both wide leg and straight leg silhouettes to diversify my wardrobe. My favorite trouser shape has to be high-waisted and wide leg. This combination elongates my legs and provides a flattering drape. They provide freedom of movement, so they're perfect for long days at the office or business meetings where comfort is key. You can even try cropped lengths to add a modern twist to your office attire. Another classic shape is straight leg. Due to their straight fit and more structured shape, straight leg pants create a sleek silhouette that complements various body types. These are perfect for formal meetings, presentations, or business dinners. The straight leg silhouette also balances well with oversized top or blazers, especially if you're petite like me. Dressing in all oversized shapes can overwhelm a smaller frame, and this is where straight leg or slightly slim fitted pants come in handy. There are endless ways to style black trousers. They're incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. You can pair wide leg trousers with a fitted tank top for a chic and effortless look. Layer on a blazer or a cardigan for extra coverage. A fitted top balances out the volume of the trousers. This combo is perfect for warmer days when you want to stay cool but still look professional. Another classic combo is to pair straight leg pants with a loose fitting shirt. Tuck in the shirt for a more structured look. This combination works well for both formal meetings and casual office days. When it comes to shopping for black trousers, here are a few tips. Make sure the trousers fit well at the waist and hips without being too tight or too loose. The hem should skim the tops of your shoes for a clean line. I like my straight leg pants to be a little bit cropped at the ankle, but wide leg pants, you can have them hit lower to maximize the visual continuation and elongate your legs without having the pants pulling at the end. When taking your pants to the tailor, bring the heels you normally wear at work so the tailor can better decide where the hem should stop for the most flattering length. Choose high quality fabrics like wool, cotton blends, or crepe for durability and a refined appearance. These fabrics maintain their shape and drape well. For straight leg trousers, look for materials with a slight stretch or comfortable waistbands for all-day wearability. A midi skirt is a versatile and elegant choice for the office. Its length, typically falling below the knee to mid-calf, is universally flattering and appropriate for professional settings. My two favorite materials for skirts are knit and silk. Knit skirts are known for their stretch and comfort. They conform to the body while allowing for easy movement. So they're great for long office days. They also have a slightly more relaxed feel compared to structured fabrics, and so they offer a blend of casual elegance that is suitable for various office environments. Silk skirts, on the other hand, have a smooth, luxurious texture that drapes beautifully for an elegant and polished look. As a natural fiber, silk is breathable and comfortable. Its subtle sheen adds a touch of sophistication, so these are ideal for formal office settings and special occasions. Midi skirts are super versatile and go well with almost any type of top, whether it is a button-up shirt, blouse, or knitwear. Here are a couple of ways to style them. Pair a knit midi skirt with a button-up shirt for a classic and comfortable office look. Depending on your style, you can choose a fitted or slightly oversized shirt. Match a silk skirt with a fine knit top for a chic and professional ensemble. The soft drape of both fabrics creates a harmonious and elegant look. When shopping for the perfect midi skirt, make sure the skirt fits well at the waist and hips with a straight line that doesn't cling too tightly. The length should be flattering, usually ending mid-calf. Go for simple shapes and designs like straight lines or slight A-lines for a modern and professional look. Avoid big A-line shapes with multiple layers, as they can be fussy when you move around. Also, steer clear of tight bodycon skirts. Not only are they movement restrictive, but also inappropriate for a professional setting. Invest in high-quality knit or silk fabrics for their durability. Quality knitwear should retain its shape and feel soft, while silk should have a cool, luxurious feel. Choose materials with a heavier weight to ensure they opaque and provide proper coverage. Avoid fabrics that are too thin, as you're going to wear these at the bottom. You want to make sure they're not see-through and have adequate lining. As I mentioned many times in this video, choose skirts in neutral colors like cream, black, navy, gray, or beige. These shades pair easily with various tops and accessories. You can go for prints and patterns, but keep them subtle and low contrast to maintain a professional look. With these must-have items, you can mix and match and create various looks throughout the year. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and shopping tips. Leave a comment down below to let me know what is your favorite wardrobe essentials. For me, it has to be the wide leg pants. I'd love to hear what yours are. Until next time, stay classy and savvy. Bye!